ATMP squad. Back here with another video. This time we're gonna be playing. We're gonna floor 4-player tycoon. Let's see how that turns out. Alright, so everybody join the game. Refresh. Stop. Hold on. Everybody, wait. It's not. I'm not in the game yet. Alright. Everybody's refreshing. Alright, refreshing. That's it right there. Right there. Let's see. Oh, I did it already. I did. Alright, everybody. This is where. There's 2 of them over here. There's 1 of them over here. Oh, sis, you better hurry up get over here. Oh, you gotta see how I I'm over here. You better hurry up. Over where? Over here. And you gotta go over there. Oh my gosh, they got me floating. Oh my gosh, Sissy, they killing me. Sissy, look, so see who you got. Alright, I am the Joker. Yeah. Hey, let me see. Let me see. So,
I want to play at the flower.
I don't think it's any more spaces to be flash. And the flash not in here. Want to be catching the middle for somebody?
I want to be what you do.
You can't. It's too much. The spaces are full already. Yeah, but everybody else already got one. Alright, everybody. Sissy, did you travel yours? Over there, found it. You see what you found? Alright, I'm stealing somebody's, yes. Guys, be the Gotham crew.
Yeah, so TSP squad, just so you know, I'm playing on my cousin's phone right here. Wait.
No.
Tablets. He plays. Yeah, he plays. You know what? You know what?
If you don't got flex on them like that.
You're like, why you flexing on people like that, huh?
Alright, y'all. I'm about to start with my conveyors.
What's
I already got 3 conveyors already. I already got 3 droppers.
Wait,
I'll tell you.
wow. Where you get your money from?
Over here. Oh no, it automatically goes in your bank. You don't got to. Yeah, I can't use no Robux right now, guys.
I need to buy. I at least need to get.
Yeah, I need 3.
Like 1,800.
380 more Robux to get the 2 times the cash. I don't think you're gonna need that anyway. I don't think I'm gonna buy it anyway. So. You build this upstairs? Alright. So, shout out to Roblox 4-player superhero tycoon.
Yeah, Roblox is sponsored.
No, it's not.
Well, I got it.
Yeah, put the camera
So they can see over there.
Two thousand. I got more than 2,000. Show me. The camera can focus on you. There you go. You go here. And then stop. Guys. Sissy. Can you hear us?
What?
It's plugged into me. Hello? Can you see the phone? Hello?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Hello? Who's talking here? What's that?
ATP. What is this being Tion? What is just me and you and ATP squad? It's just you C squad and it's just but ATP squad was just with me and ATP squad. And that's not AMP squad.
Oh, you said hi. Girl, you should.
I was.
Oh no, he killing me. He killed me. He just killed me. Wow. And that's Aiden's teammate. Wow. Wow, Aiden. You gonna let your teammate kill us? I jet.
Boy, I'm using my
I'm buying all my conveyors first. Then I'm gonna go to my walls. Yes. Conveyors and droppers. Guys, right now we to flood escape.
Man, I want to play this.
So, until we get to the second floor. When we get to the second floor, we gonna go to flood escape. Where? Oh no, I got one, two, three, four, five. I got 5, 6, 7. I got 7 conveyors.
Tion.
You only got 6 conveyors.
You need to see my conveyor.
I was just saying them.
No.
Wait, what's happening?
What you saying? On my thing, my stuff is going down in rows of 12.
Oh. How much space do you have? Oh, you don't got more than me. Probably because I got a 7 conveyor.
7 to dropper. ATP. ATP score. Now stop. Let's go.
No, it's not. Oil was already present. I did.
By the way, this is the computer. The computer is all me.
You can get copyrighted. Let me turn this music off. Oh my god. Jack.
This music is from the
Eden! You can come back. You can come to our typhoon. Let me see. Oh. Let me make sure it's an extra spot. Oh no, it's not an extra spot. Never mind. No. Yeah, you can't come back. What the heck? Who in our house? Sissy, where are you? I'm right here at the corner of my droppers and somebody else's dropper. OMG. Let me see that. Wow. How much space you got? Oh, you still don't got more than me. can play a different game. Y'all wanna play Flood Escape now? Guys, we're gonna play Flood Escape. Everybody just join the game that I'm playing. I'm gonna take my we're gonna get my bed. Still, I don't care if we get copyrighted. We're gonna take my horse to the hotel room. Till I can't know that I got the horses in the back. Man. I've been on the track. Guys, we 10 minutes in. I think we only could get like 15 minutes in the video. Well, everybody. Let's see, join. Everybody join. You in first. Sissy, look at this. What? What you do the computer? When you hit it. Okay. Everybody, Sissy, I'm gonna wait for you. And stay right there. I see you. Sissy, where? I see you first. Everybody, come on. And stay right here, Aiden. Come back, Aiden. Aiden, wait. Sissy, come on. Alright, everybody, come on. Alright, guys, we're gonna go to the easy. Alright, everybody, come on. No, I'm about to pay for this. Sissy, I'm using some of your Robux. Oh no, I can't even do it. Come on, y'all. You want Sissy? Aiden, the round didn't even start. Y'all, let's go to the media. Come on, Aiden, come back. Come on. His move slow. Everybody. Wow. Sissy, I won. I'm in. Die. Die. Huh? Okay. Cause I gotta go to school. No. Sissy, I think I'm about to beat it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm about to beat it. Again. Oh my god. I died. But let me bring myself out here, guys. I'm gonna be right back. You know what, y'all? Y'all, we can just go easy one. Everybody come in. Sissy, come. I'm in easy. And you want easy? Oh, Aiden left out. I'm just gonna play this last game, dude. I'm gonna go get myself.